Hi, I'm Matt with Modern Spare. Today, we are going to show you how to install a Modern Spare on a Tesla Model 3. Now, before we hop into the install, if you're on the side of the road and with a flat or blown out tire, be sure to make safety your top priority. Be mindful of traffic, and if you're able, try to get off the busy freeway. Take precautions to make sure you can be seen. Make sure you turn on your hazard lights and wear a safety vest, and put out reflective triangles if you have them. To skip directly to the install, go to the time shown at the bottom right corner. All right, let's break down exactly what will come in your Modern Spare complete kit. First, we have our 2-ton rubber head jack with a ratcheting jack handle. This jack will allow you to lift your vehicle safely without jacking pucks that are typically needed on a Tesla. Next, we have our extendable lug wrench set that includes 2 reversible lug sockets. That provides socket sizes of 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 21, and 22 millimeter. Next, we have our lightweight aluminum alloy wheel wrapped in a Continental tire. In this case, for the Model 3, it will come with a T135/80 R18 radial tire. The Modern Spare is designed so that everything will fit nicely inside the nylon carrying case. Before starting installation, you want to make sure your vehicle is on a flat, solid ground and your Tesla is in park. Go ahead and turn on your hazard lights if you're on a public street or where there is traffic. Since we're here in the shop, we're good to move forward with the installation. You're going to start by breaking the lug nuts loose with your lug wrench before the vehicle is raised. In this case, we're using the 21 millimeter socket part of the lug wrench set. If your lug nuts are different, use the socket that best fits the lug nuts on your car. Please note, if you have locking keyed security type lug nuts, make sure to have your specific lug nut socket to remove those on hand. Also worth noting, some vehicles, including Teslas, will have decorative lug nut covers. These do need to be removed as most sockets will not fit over them, even though they appear to be like normal lug nuts. Now that the lug nuts are loose, we are ready to lift the vehicle. You're going to start by placing the jack parallel with the vehicle. Notice the way that the jack is oriented to the vehicle. Due to the rigid frame of Teslas, this is the safest way to lift the vehicle with these jacks. Place the jack center over the mounting point on your Tesla. Use the ratcheting jack handle to lift the vehicle. Now that the tire is off the ground, we'll use the lug nut wrench to remove the lug nuts completely from the vehicle. Once removed, we can take the wheel off the vehicle. Be sure to use proper lifting techniques to avoid back strain. You can place the damaged tire in the provided polyester bag to keep your vehicle clean and free from road grime. Now we'll place the Modern Spare on the vehicle. You'll note that there are 2 different lug bolt patterns on the wheel, making a total of 10 holes. Use the 5 lug holes that align with the studs on your Tesla Model 3. We'll put the lug nuts back on until hand tight using the lug wrench. You'll do this in a star pattern. Make sure the wheel is snug and seated to the hub before you start to lower the vehicle. You can activate the switch on the ratcheting jack handle, which allows you to lower the jack and lower the vehicle. Once the tire is lowered back down to the ground, finish torquing down the lugs. The factory recommended torque setting is 129 foot-pounds. Once you have your lug nuts properly tightened, you can then remove the jack from under the vehicle. Be sure and use a star pattern when tightening the lug nuts. Once your spare is on and mounted, you can put your tools back in the vehicle along with the case. Turn off your hazard lights and you're ready to hit the road again. That's how to install a modern spare on your Tesla Model 3. You can head over to our website, modernspare.com, to get your modern spare as well as additional safety gear to keep you prepared. Be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching.